Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our Shumatt channel. This is Caitlin. Today the product we want to share with you is our hot sealing valve assembly. If you're interested, please follow me. Let's see it together. Firstly, let's see the outside package is the blue VCI anti-rust bag. Here this is the label, and the first line of the label is our Shumatt brand, and then it's the product code F00VC01328. Actually, by the way, for the local label packages, Shumatt can supply the customized service. In the inside of it, as you can see, the plastic bottles can be better protect the valve assembly. Now let's see the inside product. One layers of the oil paper can be wrapped up, and each product will supply 6 months warranty time. In this period, you have the right to return or exchange if you're not satisfied with the quality. And this one applicable for 04451 0137, etc. And applicable for vehicle quarries for bins. This is the valve cap with the coating figures on the groove. The valve rod. If you want to install the valve assembly, the first step is make sure the valve cap in the right position. The second step is make sure the valve rod can be moved smoothly off the injector body. Okay, so much for today's product introduction. Thank you for watching. Let's see you next time. See you.